Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to deactivate Instagram account. If you're using Instagram and now you want to deactivate your Instagram account, so let's see how can you do this. For this you just have to open your Instagram app, and here just go to your profile in the right bottom corner, select it, and here you will get the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Just tap on it, and here just select account center. In account center you will get the option of personal details. Select it, and here just select account ownership and control, and then deactivation or deletion of the account. Just select the option, and here you have to select your Instagram account, and after that you'll get a pop-up menu like this. You just have to select deactivate your account if you want to deactivate your account temporarily, but if you want to delete your account permanently, you just have to select the second one and then tap on continue. But I'm going to deactivating my account, so just select deactivate account, then continue, and after that you just have to enter your password and your account will be deactivated. So that's how you can easily deactivate your Instagram account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.